What's going on, Sneaker Talk fam? Welcome back to another unboxing haul on Sneaker Talk 365, and today we got 3 pairs of shoes to show to you guys, and these are some pretty dope shoes. First pair is a pair I actually picked up from the Adidas and Reebok outlet. You guys know how I go to Dixie Outlet Mall all the time, or at least I used to pre-pandemic. They would typically have a really good selection of stuff, a lot of hidden gems, I would say. And this is a hidden gem I found at the Adidas Reebok outlet that just opened up like the last few months ago. Like, I had no idea it was there, but they have one now. It's right across the Nike store. So this is the shoebox right here. Like, take a look at this box. This is one of the most unique, very exotic, you could say, sneaker boxes I've ever seen in my life. If you are a fan of really good packaging, some cool storytelling, this is definitely a shoebox I could see like just be on display in someone's house, in someone's like cabinet. It's super cool. And if you know the brand already by looking at the box, it is Billionaire Boys Club. So BBC has been doing a couple of collaborations with Reebok. I ended up buying 2 pairs of these to flip and resell. I literally sold them on StockX before I left the store. So I made money by going to the mall just by buying those shoes, which was great because I was just like waiting at Tim Hortons drinking a nice coffee. You guys know when you go shopping with like a family member or someone who just takes way too long, I'm usually the guy because I'm the one vlogging footage. But in this case, my mom was taking way too long. So I was like, let's just go back to the outlet, see what sizes they have, and I sold them on StockX. So enough chit chat. This is the very first pair, the Reebok and BBC collaboration, one of the many that they did. And let's just show you guys this pair. Ooh, you can kind of tell why they were at the outlet right away. This is a shoe that is definitely like a collector's piece. I don't really see anyone who could like pull these off in a very stylish way. So they had these in pretty much like 2 to 3 full size runs at the outlet. So if you want a pair, definitely go to Dixie Outlet Mall just outside of Toronto. It's like a 30-minute drive. These were a really good price, $45 Canadian, and I bought a size 12 and a size 13. There's still a ton of sizes left. There's some cool other extras that were included. This is another as well. It's like a little, I think it's some shoelaces in here, but there are some more, there's some more shoelaces. So like a lot of cool extras they included, and you also have that keychain that I showed you guys earlier. Overall, not a shoe for me. A solid flip, you know, made a little 45 bucks Canadian just because I was chilling and I had nothing better to do. If you guys want to see the outlet vlog, I will have it linked in the description or in the pinned comment or as an end screen card or something after this video goes up. It might not be up right away, but it will be up soon enough on the main channel, Sneaker Talk. Next up, let's get to a pair of Adidas Yeezys that I got in the mail the other day. So unfortunately, I still have to review these, but the review's kind of late. It's just unfortunate that Adidas has some shipping delays with this pair. But in this box is the latest pair of Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. I know a lot of people are pretty burnt out on this model, so when it comes to the resale and market prices of these shoes after release, there really isn't too much, which is honestly a really good thing for Yeezy fans or people who are still on the hunt for their first pair of Yeezys and don't want to pay resale. So this pair right here is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Lite. Like Light Yagami from Death Note. So let me just open this up. My phone's getting blowing up right now. I have to message him after. Back to the shoes. Here we have them. I have not yet seen these in person, so this will be my first ever like first impression of the shoe. Ooh, it didn't make the loud fart sound that I'm used to getting. And bam! Here we have it. The Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Lite. This is a shoe which honestly, I really don't think Adidas needed to make this shoe. It's a very neutral sneaker. I feel like if you took an L on the natural Yeezy 350 V2 from last year, one of my favorite silhouettes that Adidas put out last year, then this is honestly a really good like backup sneaker, like alternative to the naturals. And you know what? Let me grab the naturals real quick. Wow, they really do look identical. Holy crap. It literally is almost like the same shoe. So here is the natural right here. And then here are the lights. The main differences here is that the lights have that little spoiler on the back, which is that kind of aged yellow look, which is like the same color as the midsole. And the midsole here on the naturals is much more yellow, much more vintage looking. There's like a bit of a two-tone going on here. The naturals have a slightly different color prime net on the upper half, while the lights are like the same prime knit all over the sneaker. If you wanted the shoe, you like the look but you missed out on it, maybe the lights might fit the same kind of look you were going for. But at the end of the day, this is just another 50 Shades of Yeezy that Kanye has released. I really don't know what the resale values for this shoe are right now. I'll leave the prices on screen. And then here's the resale values of the naturals. So there you go, side by side. Which Yeezy do you guys prefer? The lights or the naturals? For me, I like the naturals more. I really like this super yellowy vintage looking sole. It's definitely not something we get a lot out of the Yeezys. So yeah, comment down below. Also the stripes, slightly different colors, like yellow and aged on the light here. And then on this pair, it's sort of just clean, like a regular 3M reflective. Ooh, one thing I just noticed on the light pair is they actually have a tag here that says color change due to UV reactive knit. I did not know that was a thing that was on this pair. So that might be a reason you might want the lights over the naturals. You guys know how a lot of sneaker companies have been doing these sneakers that have a different color upper when certain light, particularly UV lights, hit the shoe. So this is one shoe that does do that apparently. I can't really test that out right now in short, because this is just a quick little raw video for you guys for the Sneaker Talk family on Sneaker Talk 365. But I'll have photos on screen right now of what it looks like when the UV light does hit this shoe. All right, so this pair right here is a pair I am very hyped to show you guys. I have been meaning to pick up this Air Jordan 1 for a while. Finally showed up, which is hype. And I'll be reviewing these most likely on the main channel. But yeah, there's just so many sneaker reviews I am behind on. So if I said I was gonna review the sneaker soon, I am sorry. Clearly that hasn't happened yet. This is a pair I picked up online. Why did they just include a blank piece of paper? What the heck is going on here? So here is the box. This is an Air Jordan 1 Mid. An Air Jordan 1 Mid that a lot of people have genuinely been looking forward to. Let's pop these open, and we're also going to slightly compare these two, or quickly compare these to an Air Jordan 1 High I have in the background. So here we go. I don't know. Oh, there we go. I do know. Oh, okay. All right. So let me get you guys the pair that doesn't have the StockX tag, because
no free promo.
Bam! The Cider or Brushstroke Air Jordan 1 Mid. This is my first actual time seeing these in hand. Wow. I'm actually quite impressed by this shoe. This is a really, really dope looking shoe. First of all, let's get rid of the elephant, talk about the elephant in the room, not get rid of it. This swoosh is really, really cool. Nike and Jordan Brand, they don't typically really change up the swoosh because it's so iconic. It's sort of like sacred. So when they switch it up, it better be for like a really good reason. The last time I've really seen Jordan Brand do a swoosh like this was with the Dave White Air Jordan 1 Highs, which I used to have. I completely regret selling them, but hey, at the time I needed the money, so you know, priorities, right? Priorities. Of course, no, the Travis Scotts, how they have the reverse swoosh, but that's nothing too crazy. But this is like, they really changed it up. It's like, it's really, really funky looking. So you have that, and then on the inside panel, you have the regular, sort of like tan color scheme. What's the actual color code they use for this shoe? Sail black, cider, chili red. So this is like a canvas upper Air Jordan 1 Mid, not something we're used to seeing. And this is basically, you guys know, like the blank canvases you can paint on and stuff. That's what this is all about. If you love painting, this might be a shoe for you. If I were to wear these in junior high with my art teachers, I'm sure they would love this shoe. It's very fun looking. You have these like paint splatters going on with the midsole as well throughout the entire shoe, not just the midsole. But you got that switching up on the midsole. Here's a look at the booty, and then on the inside, boom. So these do come with white laces, or like sail laces when you buy the shoe. But with the shoe, which is something they honestly never do this. This is a first for Jordan Brand. Jordan Brand doesn't usually do this with Air Jordan 1 Mids, but they included an extra pair of laces. Look at that. Look at that. I know, it's just an extra pair of laces. Why are you getting so hyped, Christian? They're just laces. But this is new. This is, Jordan Brand doesn't do this. This is something different. And I love the fact that it has the black sock liner. You guys know how I am about my denim and stuff bleeding onto the top of the shoe. Not a good look. So I like that they did that. So here's a quick look at the Brushstroke Cider Air Jordan 1 Mids. And now, I wanted to do this in today's video, just very briefly, because I'll probably do it again a little bit in my in the main channel vlog when I go to the mall. This is, I want to do like the quick comparison. So here's the comparison. Bam. The Cider or Brushstroke Jordan 1 Mids side to side with the Rookie of the Year. So you guys know what they say. We got the high top, we got the great value. So honestly, you're getting a really great value out of this shoe. It's also just super unique. Like, if someone sees this shoe, they're gonna take a double look at your swoosh and be like, well, what the heck? What's going on there, right? That's a cool Jordan 1 high with a colorway that's not very conventional on a Jordan 1. But I do have white laces in these. These are the off-white laces. I don't know why I put in the off-white laces, but I did. These originally came with black laces. This is a fair comparison though, because you guys can see how close they are with the same kind of shoelaces going on. Overall, man, it's really close. So I'll have the resale values of both of the shoes on screen right now so you guys can see which one might be the better bang for your buck. What was your favorite pair? The BBC Reeboks, do you like the Jordan 1 Mid Brushstroke, or the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Lite? With that said, catch you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day. Peace out.